With every conceivable amenity on its doorstep, this modern two-bedroom apartment in the heart of Clayton will not disappoint you. I'm Weerawarna from 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗶𝗿 Real Estate. Come with me to explore this beautiful apartment. This outstanding opportunity is just seconds from Clayton Central's vast array of continental shops, cafes, and supermarkets. It also offers easy access to the Monash Medical Center, Monash University, Clayton train station, buses, schools, and major roads. You simply don't want to live anywhere else. Perfect as a first home, investment, professional couple or student accommodation, this quality apartment offers easy lifestyle living, quality inclusions, and outstanding city fringe convenience. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.